In August, the FASB issued an exposure draft describing how purchasers of hosted computing services should evaluate whether such arrangements contain a software license that should be accounted for separately from the hosting services. Currently, many hosted computing arrangements include license language in the contract documents that provide the customer with the right to use the underlying software as part of the service. As there is no current guidance on customer accounting for hosted arrangements, this raises the question of whether those fees should be capitalized or expensed, and we have seen diversity in practice. To create consistency, this exposure draft provides guidance to help purchasers determine when hosted computing arrangements include a software license that should be accounted for separately from the service, utilizing the existing model that vendors use in making this determination. Purchasers will need to determine whether A, they have the contractual right to take possession of the underlying software at any time during the service period without significant penalty, and B, it is feasible for them to run the software itself or contract with another party to run the software. Arrangements that do not meet these criteria are considered service contracts, and therefore separate accounting for the license would not be permitted. Arrangements that do meet these criteria are considered multiple element arrangements, and separate accounting for the license would be required. The comment period for the exposure draft ended on November 18th, and a final standard is expected shortly. The standard would be effective for annual periods beginning after December 15, 2015, for public and non-public companies.